Hello guys, welcome to my new Android tutorial, and in this tutorial we'll fetch this list from the live URL. So in the early video we just covered with the static data here, but in this tutorial we'll fetch the data from the live URL from the web services. So let's get started. So for that we need to add two dependencies here. One is for the this volley is for the networking operation, and the second one is the Picasso library I added for the to fetch the image. And the next one we need to add the internet permission uh, to the manifest file, and that's it. So we already added some dependency in our app. So come inside the main activity. Okay, so here I already give the static data, so I just uncomment this one. Yeah, uncomment this one. Then in this place I am creating one method here, fetch data. I am defining this method here. So in this method we will fetch data from the live URL. You can see the live URL here, the player list. You can see this one is a start with the braces, so it is a JSON object. Then there is a player list array. So you can see the inside that we have a JSON object that is a name with a string name, batsman, and the image. Okay, so here we will perform the volley operation. So just get a string request is equal to new string request, and you need to put the method here which method it is request method dot get. And the next one we need to put the URL, which URL we have. So you need to put the URL http colon double slash simtech demi slash API slash player list. Okay, so the next one we need to call the one listener here, and that is for just press alt enter here, and this one is for the on response when the response is come. So inside that we will fetch the JSON object. And the next one the error, if there is a if there is any error occurs, then the method goes inside in this place. And at the end we need to add this request with a request queue is equal to volley dot new request queue. You can pass this here, and just add request queue dot add string request. Okay, so yeah, so here you can see this on response we will fetch the our JSON object. So we need it is start with the JSON object, so we are fetching the JSON object here. JSON object is equal to new JSON object, and pass the response here, and it will throw the exception, so surrounded with die catch. And inside that we have a JSON array. So JSON array is equal to JSON object dot get JSON array, and you need to pass the JSON array name, that is the player list. Okay, so then you need to loop through with this array, because it is array. Inside that we have a JSON object, so you need to call a for loop. So just start with int I is equal to 0, I less than JSON array dot length and I plus plus. So inside that we have a JSON object, we need to fetch the JSON object as well again. JSON object 1 is equal to JSON array dot get JSON object, and you need to pass the I here. Okay, so we in this place we will get all the string. So you can see in the model class we have a constructor here. So before that we need to convert, because it is a URL. You can see the response is a URL, so you need to convert this in the model class. It is to string. So here the string we are taking, can just pass string here and change with the respected method here as well. String, string here. Okay, so here we can just call the model class model is equal to new model, and you need to pass this image name and player role. So just you can call JSON object one dot get string. Which one you can put? Just call this image URL. The next one is the JSON object one get string, and the third one is JSON object one dot get string. So the second one is the name and role. So just pass this name, here this pass the role here. Okay, so this will call the model class constructor. Then we need to add this model class to the list. So main list dot add model. Okay, so at the end we need to call the this adapter class, and then we need to set the recycler view. Okay, so we are in the error we are taking a toast if there is any error occur. So here error dot get message. Okay, let's try to run this application. Okay, so here you need to call, like if you get the error, so here you need to call Picasso dot with, you can pass the context, and you can just call the load. You can do what you can do here, just model dot get image and into holder dot image, just call. You can try to run this application, because we already changed the model class to the into to string. That's why you are got the error. You can see we are getting the result from the live URL. You can see here in the main activity we just remove these lines, and we are fetching the data from the live URL, that is from coming from this URL. So you can see this, um, it is working fine. Okay, so this is end for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.